So I had a question come in from someone, and I wanted to go over just some examples with truth tables and conjunction and disjunction. You're probably doing this maybe in high school or in college, but let's just go over a few things that you should remember. That conjunction, that represents the word and it looks like an upside down V or like a hut. On your computer, this would be the caret key, but just remember that it looks like an A. It just looks like an A without the line. So if you can remember conjunction and then from English class, remember anyway, con also goes with and. I forgot what they're called, but anyway, you would have seen this word in English class. So if you can just remember conjunction means and it looks like the A without the line. Disjunction means or. You think of the word or, and it literally looks like a V. Okay. And then when we're talking about negation, that's the opposite. So if something is true and you negate it, that means you're making it false. And not necessarily true or false, but just doing the opposite. So for example, we could say that the negation of stop would be go, or the negation of go would be stop. So it's not necessarily true or false. It's just whatever the opposite of that thing is. And then remember that the number of letters tells you how many rows you'll have in your truth table. So you take 2 and you raise it to the power of however many letters you have, and that tells you how many rows that you'll have. So if you have 1 letter, you're going to have 2 rows. If you have 2 letters, you're going to have 4 rows. If you have 3 letters, you're going to have 8 rows. Hopefully you're not doing truth tables past 8 rows, because that can get a little,